How to disable apps or change apps rating by age on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, go down and tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Then from here, tap on Apps. Then if you want to disable, you can choose Don't Allow. Otherwise, you can change the rating by age. So we've got 4 plus, 9 plus, 12 plus, and 17 plus. So select one of the available options and then tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.